Keith, the weather is a cruel mistress on this Valentine's Day.
Sure is.
The
yeah.
biting wind.
It's not like, and a lot of people go out tonight and all that, but like there are certain nights where you step out and you're like, do we have to do this?
Yeah.
And
run straight back to the couch.
Today's one of those days.
Yeah, it is. We haven't had many of them, ironically.
Right.
I mean, basically not at all this February. This was our coldest day, and it wasn't that cold. I mean, 29 for a high in Portland was, 6 degrees below average, as opposed to being basically 20 degrees above average over the weekend, 26 in Bangor, 28 in Waterville. But the wind, that's been the problem. Gusting to 43 miles an hour in Portland right now, 35 in Millinocket, 33 in Augusta. So you combine the temperatures and the wind chill is noticeable. Feels like 7 in Portland, 6 in Bangor, 7 below in Rangeley, 8 below in Greenville. All right, we get a quiet day tomorrow. Next storm system is this, which doesn't look like much, and it's really not, but it's going to be a little kind of clipper that moves through and gives us a little light snow tomorrow night and into Friday morning. So first things first, tonight is chilly, obviously. It's breezy still through the first half of the night at least. Temperatures in the teens and some single digits into the mountains. Tomorrow, though, I do want to point out is actually a pretty nice day, especially through the early afternoon. A lot of sun, about 30 to 35 degrees, and then clouds come in from southwest and northeast late afternoon. The computer models have picked up the timing just a tiny bit here on Thursday as far as when it arrives. So it looks like it's closer to 9 to 11 over southern Maine now as opposed to closer to midnight. That's what it looked like originally. It's snowing overnight into early Friday morning, but this is a very quick moving system. In fact, I think southern Maine, a lot of us will wake up on Friday. Yeah, it'll definitely be done by Saturday. On Friday morning, and the snow will be done. Still snowing in down East Maine through about mid-morning, but we're talking 9 or 10, and then everybody should be clearing out. It is chilly behind it with the fresh snowpack in place on Friday night into Saturday morning. So this map really has only tiny change if you have a really good eye for detail. We had the line through Bangor before, and now it's just north to include them in 1 to 3. Probably getting cute there. Dusting to an inch in Greenville, for example, into down East Maine. Not a big event, but enough that you have to move it, potentially plow it, depending on your threshold for that. And then the weekend looks fine. We've got a storm missing to our south on Saturday that'll give us snow showers, but it'll be warmer on Saturday. Bright on Sunday, but colder. Looking for a major storm system. Gonna have to look for a long time. It's not until maybe next Friday, so not this Friday, the Friday after, that something is interesting to me setup-wise. That's 2 lows that are trying to phase into a bigger low. That's just one of those pattern recognition things us old people have. I've seen that before, and we see how that can turn out. So we'll keep an eye on it. But you know what? Before that happens, so we get a little fresh snow. Stays chilly, over the weekend. But then by mid-next week, we're back into the mid-40s in a lot of spots. So that's kind of the vibe we've been in. And we are now going to be into late February without a major snowstorm this month, which is not something you can say all that often here.
No, there isn't. Not. Thanks, Keith.